Meet the new Kubota SVL110-3, our most powerful SVL yet, engineered for exceptional performance on rough ground. The SVL110-3 is built to help drive high-demand attachments. High-flow auxiliaries deliver the muscle for brush cutters, cold planers, and more. A 14-pin connector and both half-inch and 3/4-inch couplers support multi-function control. And you can store preset flow modes so every attachment runs at its best. Maintain peak performance in demanding conditions with a new auxiliary performance system, engineered to deliver steady power and stable travel with high engine output. Control matters. Creep mode lets you run full hydraulic power while traveling at a crawl for precise work along edges and forms. Set your speed from 1 to 50 for fine-tuned movement for the task at hand, and the accelerator pedal can be used to regulate speed while in creep mode for even greater control. Dial in your travel with track response settings, mild, normal, or quick, allowing you to tailor the machine to the operator's preference. Auto shift steps down automatically in a turn or into a pile to keep momentum. A decelerator pedal gives on-the-fly RPM control for fine grading, and ISO pilot controls deliver the feel you want when every pass has to be right. Long days feel shorter in the sealed, pressurized cab, designed to keep out dust and cut noise so you can stay focused. The roll-up front door and 3-point access make getting in and out easy, no matter what's on the front. A standard 7-inch LCD screen puts machine data and settings at your fingertips, and an integrated rear-view camera helps you back up with confidence. Settle into the heated air ride seat, switch on ride control for a more comfortable ride and to help reduce material loss while traveling on rough ground. Stream audio with Bluetooth, and count on LED work lights with delayed shutoff to guide you off the site when the day is done. Every minute counts. Engine auto idle lowers RPMs between tasks, then snaps back the instant you move a control. Routine service is fast with a toolless swing-out radiator for straight-shot access to separators and filters. Say goodbye to exposed hoses. With the new internal routing path, hydraulic lines are now safely housed inside the loader arms, protected from impact, wear, and the elements. Easily spot grease zerks with a cleaner, smarter design that keeps your machine running longer and looking sharp. Spec the SVL110-3 for how you work. Use the universal skid steer hitch to switch between buckets, pallet forks, and skid cutters to keep material moving. Choose between a standard glass door or a special application polycarbonate door to match your environment and needs. Tune the machine to your operators with customizable settings right from the monitor. Now, the numbers: 112.7 horsepower, high flow up to 45 gallons per minute, and torque of 279 foot-pounds to help move big material and open up sites, with the control to step into land clearing when the day demands it. Stay connected with Kubota WorkSmart Telematics, which comes standard on the SVL110-3. Check hours, fuel, location, temperatures, and maintenance reminders from your devices, so you're always one step ahead. When the job fights back, you don't slow down. You break new ground. Do it in the new Kubota SVL110-3.